Hi everybody, I hope you're okay today and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have a little and a large canvas. I'm going to do both and this is going to be flick, which is very, very messy as I found out getting paint all over my hair. So I've got my hair covered up for that to make sure this time. And it went over the wall as well. These two are going to be different now. So one's going to be one way and this is going to be a different way. So, and two different type of colours as well. So I'm going to hope you like the video. So put the colours on there. I know there's not many, and yes, I've put it on there to spin it. I actually forgot to put this on first, and I'm hoping it's not going to slip off as well because I've got the sticker under here. It's got pins under it, which I didn't think about that first. So, let's see how it goes. I didn't want to put too many colours on it. Right, let's see. I'm not going to do a big flick on this, I'm just going to do it on a little one. So, just a little one. And you can move it around with this as well. Now, my problem is that you can see it's a canvas, which I don't want. So, let's done it again. Put it back on, and you can see it here as well. I'm going to put a bit more silver in the middle of this, just a tiny little bit. Yeah, just a little bit, but you can see the orange quite well. And I think I'm going to put a bit more yellow on it as well. More colours on it, I think. Right, let's see how it goes with this. And then I'm going to spin. Right, just a finger to you then. Really gentle with this. Even move it. Right, go. Right, I'm missing the orange bit now. Let's put an orange back on. Doesn't matter how many types of colours you put on, does not matter. In fact, I'm going to go over the whole lot. Yellow and silver again. So next time I know. See if it makes the flicks look bigger. Right, let's go again. I'm gonna this will. Right. Where are we missing some? Yes. Right. Spin. Yeah, that's spreading out good. Right. So like this bit. Right. Don't do that. Now these flip bits up here, I'm not going to do any more of that because I'm going to do some singing that in a minute. We'll see. Just a little bit extra. Love it. It's more spider legs again. Right, let's spin this again. I don't want to do it too fast. It's coming out. I can see some on the bottom here. Right. That looks good. That looks cool. Let's just put a bit of orange on that bit. Right. Oh, too scared to spin again. Right, let's do some more spin bits. Right, let's spin again. Right, next bit I'm going to try is my hot gun. Let's see what comes up with this. We'll see. Not too much. Right, this looks really good, and I'm going to do one more thing to add for this and then it'll be finished. And this is a balloon. Now, I've used one of these already, so I wiped over it with a desk wipe, so it's still a bit done down, but I'm going to hold it tighter like this. See what comes up in the middle of this. That looks really nice. Shame, got a nice colour on this as well. Can't do anything with that, it's a shame. Right, I like that as it is, and I don't want to do no more bubbles. Bubbles, never words mixed. Balloon, I mean. And because I put that on, I'm going to use my hot gun again. Oh, see what comes up. No, nothing has come up yet, but I'm going to let this dry and see what comes up when it's finished. So, flick, and I'll put a balloon in the middle this time. No more other balloons around it, because it's a little bit like swipe, I suppose you could think. So it's a bit of a swipe, balloon, and a flick in it as well. So this is the result. Right, so let's move this with the hairdryer instead, this one. Right, putting that, I'm going to get these sides covered for a start. I'm going to just add in a bit with my fingers, like this. And I think what might happen with this is not move very quick, is because there's not enough water in it. So I'm just going to move these ones like that. I'm going to put a little bit more black here. Let's cover this one up, and then I'm going to add some more water in my bottle, because I'm going to be using this black. Hold on a minute, let's see if I can just put any more paint on. I'm going to, doesn't matter if it's got black there, I'm just going to shake this again. Just get black all over me. Add a little bit more water with this bottle. It might have moved a little bit quicker if I put more water in this bottle. I don't know, I guess. And because I'll be doing some flick with this, I'm just going to add a little bit more paint in the middle like that, so you can see it there. Right, for that, the first thing I'm going to do, shake my white and add more water. So hopefully this time it will move a little bit quicker. We'll soon find out. The hairdryer is ready. Right, let's shake that up again. And this time I'm not going to go round, I'm going to just stay still, like that. Going round. And hopefully you can get the sides in as well. Right, that came up a lot more quicker. Let's see how it goes with the hairdryer this time. I'm going to leave that. Right. No, that's better. Now I know why. More water. Right, that moved a lot quicker. Just move this out of the way, don't fall over it. Mine. Now I'm just going to cover the sides. Because I've got black and white on that, but that's not too worried about that. I'm just going to pick a bit. This should be fine anyway. You can sort it on the end, and as I'm going to be spinning it around, so you're fine. Let's just pick a bit up. More paint down at the bottom. And just you go your finger under it, you're picking up paints on the side. Right, let's move the hairdryer out of the way because I'm not using that again. Right, I'm going to do the same as I did there. Shake up again. I haven't got a lot of white left now actually, so I'm hoping I might have to make another one, a bit more. Yes, I think I am. Right, let's start this first. Let's go, there's black. Let's put a bit of gold. I can't find the circle now, I think it was here. Silver, silver. Then on this one, oh, change my gloves again. Get them on. Right, this one's going to be black, tiny little bit, and this one is going to be white, I think. Let's get it open, a tiny little bit left. Yes, perfect. Right, tempting, I think I'm going to put a white over the top of that as well. And then black over that. And I'm going to go again. make this more, I'm going to double it. Oops, drop that bit, tiny little bit, silver. Let me think. Silver, right, that's black. This is white. Let's see that over this one. Right. Let's see what comes out of this. Really, let's see what comes out. Right, let's do the white one first. Right, I'm going to do it this way this time. Oh, I've got paint on my fingers. Look, I can do that and all. Look, no finger on there. Cool. Right. Whoops, bit much. Let's do that again. Because that's cool. No, I don't like that bit. I've done it too big. I like it. Not that bit. Right. Make that bit better. Let's flick some of this out. Well, this has made it go. Just do that. And do that again. I don't want that. Has made it grey. Right, I'm going to go a little. Not big now. It's made it grey. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to carry on with the flicks like this. I'm going to spread it, and then I'm going to do the black one. Oh, I can look on my eye. I'm going to keep flicking it a little bit, so it looks really good. Now I'm going to do the gold one. I say the black one, I got that wrong. Right. So flick some of this in here. Oops. Back. Some bubbles there. Right, a big one. Yeah, it's gone grey on this one as well. Right, I don't like this bit. I'm gonna cover that back up. Doesn't matter though. Right. I've just got it on my fingers, so I'm gonna flick this. God, I didn't expect this bit, but that's good. Right, I'm gonna get it like that. Now you can see the difference of these colours, what they both need, I think. I'm just going to spin this first. And on this has got more paint around this than that one as well. Right, I am going to get that one bigger and add some gold. So, right, now I've got paint on it, flick. Right. Oh, hold on a minute, where's my other? Let's throw the colours out the way. So, this up on the other side, because otherwise it's going to go all over my curtains. Right, let's give it a good spin. Oh, it's going to grow. It's just gone all over my wall. Mopping, cleaning, that I'll be doing. Right, let's move this in a bit more. There we go. Move this one back. Right. Gonna spin again. Not sure which one's better than the other, to be honest. That's come out like that, not flick, and that's come out like that. So it's not even come out as flicked, which I suppose doesn't matter, it still looks good, but I still would have preferred it to come out as flick. So I'm going to get this down. Right, let's have a think. Right, first I'm going to do a bit more flick on this one. Not too much. Right, this one needs to go back. Right, I'm going to put more paint on this one. Again, this needs some plenty of gold. It's going to have to be silver. Oh, of course, I turned it grey, didn't I? I've got silver. Just get that from. Black and white makes grey, doesn't it? But it's right. A little bit of black. And let's go back, do some more flick. See how it goes. Now I'm going to leave that. Let's get another one out. I'm going to leave that because it's got flicks down there. Just going to try do a bit more. Right, I'm going to leave that bit because I like That's the whole point. Now what I'm going to do is add some more gold. More silver, and see, I've got a tiny little bit of white left. Oh, yes I have, that's a bit much. Right, let's see what comes out of this one. It's quite good at spread it out, and then I can do the flicks again. Let's see what comes out again with this one. Right. Cover that back up. Flick again. I've got, I just realised I've got a shorter side than that one there. So get this size right next time. But I'm not going to worry about that. Like I say, it's abstract art. Right, let's do some of this. Got here, look. Let's do it on this one as well. Right, let's do another one. Right, I'm going to add some gold on this. It's not enough gold. It's good it's flipped on each side, so I like lots more over that one. Right, let's get some flicks more over the gold. Right. So we could pick up black bits on here. Go on here. Right, let's go cover these gold silver up. Let go dry. Over, and let's spin again, but not too much because I don't want to lose these flicks. The flicks are just how I want them, and I don't want to lose the flick, because that's how I'm putting a coordinate flick. You can see, just do it a little bit. Love it. Right, perfect. Right, the last thing I'm going to do is what I did on my last one with my orange one, if I can find where it's gone. Oh, it's got a flick on this as well. And right, I have a balloon somewhere and I can't find it. There it is. It's right behind the black. I'll take my grips off. Here it is. Right. I've actually made this balloon quite big, so I'm gonna just be, I don't know if it's going to be too big because these are only little. I think I'm going to make this smaller, so back in a minute. I've made this balloon smaller. Actually quite funny how it's gone shaped like that, so this is going to look quite good. I think first, before I do that, I'm going to get my hot gun out and see what I come up with this. Not too much though, otherwise that's not going to come well. So let's go round it instead. Right, let's go, balloon time. And I might put some balloon bits around here, right over there, back over there. Let's see. Nice, got a little bit there. Should do another one, so you notice a bit more. Yes, you can. I'm going to do some. Brings up white. That doesn't matter though. Don't want to go over that again. I'm going to go over this just one more time, just a tiny little bit. So I've got a tiny little bit there. Let's see if it comes up. No, it comes up white. So there's a lot of white on there. You can't do that. So that is fine as it is, and I'm going to leave it because I want the flick, but tiny little balloon to take in the middle because it needs something. It needs something in the middle. Look, it looks bare, and that looks much better. I might do a little bit more flicking there in a minute. I'm not sure. Maybe. Right, see what comes up with a black one. Nice. Now I could do with that. Should we test it? See if it'll come up. No, it's gone white again, so I've got a lot of white. Doesn't matter. I'm not bothered. I'm not bothered. I'm going to go over that again. I love it. Right. That's done. I'm just a total mess around here. I've got a lot of cleaning up to do on there. This balloon over there. I'm going to Dettol wipe around that because it's good shape. Right. I'm just going to stick some gloves on again. Loads pairs of gloves wearing. And just going to do a tiny little bit there. Let's do it. That's better. Just a little bit. Right, that's it. Oh, let's see if we can spin it and see what goes with it. I'm only going to do a little bit, so you shouldn't. Right, anyway. Spin it. Right. Let's get the hot gun over it again. So it looks much better with a balloon in the middle of it. Definitely, because the colours have actually moved. So it does look much better. And I love it. It looks perfect. Next time though, I will make sure I do the line better. As you can see, there's more white over there than black, but that doesn't matter. I'm not bothered. It looks perfect and how I wanted it to be. So I do hope you liked the video, and I will be back very soon. It will be another flick, but it's going to be different. It won't be flicking with paint put in the middle and flick like this. The flick will be completely different, totally different. So yes, I will be back very soon with my next flick again. Bye.